Oh, this is so beautiful.
Ne?
Driving in, where are we? Mahalis?
Is it Rustenburg Road?
Yeah, Rustenburg Road, Mahalis, all the way from the church. It was nice being in Mahalis, ZCC Church. Now we are driving back home in Rustenburg Road. This is so beautiful, guys. The road is so beautiful. It's in the morning. It's around 5:46.
In 400 meters, turn right onto R96.
Yeah, we are using a GPS. We don't know our ways around, but yeah, the road is so beautiful. There's the beautiful nature here, the mountains, the trees.
Right onto R96.
Yeah, so we have to turn somewhere here.
Continue on R96
Jeez.
for 11 kilometers.
Okay. Wow, look at that. There's a river there. On the other side also. Oh, this place is beautiful. This place is so